We decided to take a weekend trip to Providence, Rhode Island. We had never been to Rhode Island, and we were interested in seeing the smallest state. I wanted to tell you how we got there using points. So first, we booked a round-trip flight from Tampa using our Southwest Companion Pass. We saw a non-stop flight from our home airport in Florida direct to Providence, Rhode Island, and that was going to be round trip 11,300 Southwest Rapid Reward points and $11.20 in taxes. The cash value was $353.90, and of course we only paid $11.20 and 11,300 Southwest Rapid Reward points. Once we arrived in the Providence airport, we did arrive later on a Friday night, and I was very pleased to know that our Hyatt place, Warwick, Providence Airport Hotel, was connected to the airport. So convenient. We got checked into our room smoothly, and it was a typical Hyatt Place hotel, so if anyone has ever stayed at a Hyatt Place, it has all the same kind of perks, right? So it has a little couch and seating area. It also has free breakfast traditionally, and we had all those same perks at this Hyatt Place in Warwick. We only did a Friday night, Saturday night, and then we checked out Sunday. So for 2 nights, we paid 17,500 World of Hyatt points. Whenever you book using World of Hyatt points at this hotel, there is zero cost out of pocket. So if there happened to have been a resort fee or even any other small taxes, it's already been zeroed out at that hotel. So our hotel bill when we left, $0. The cash price of the 2-night stay at the Warwick Providence Hyatt Place Hotel was $494.94. Right? So for our weekend getaway in Providence, Rhode Island, we got out of there for quite the great deal. So our overall cash value cost of that entire stay, including our flight and hotel, would have been $848.84. We paid $11.20. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. This is Lori with Places, Plates, and Points.